Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a multiple choice question in Google Forms. So here I've already opened my Google Forms and I want to create a multiple choice question. So I'm going to just click on a plus to add question here, and then you can see this box is the type of question that you can choose on Google Forms. So there are short answer, paragraph, multiple choice, checkboxes, drop down, and others. So if you want to create a multiple choice, just click on a multiple choice and type in your questions in here. For example, and you can just click on type in the choice of the answer, and then here. Okay, so you can add many choices, answer choice and in here. And if you want to make this question as required, just click on this buttons right here so that the uh others that want to fill in the question need to answer this question. Okay, so that's all for me. I hope this video is helpful to you. Please don't forget to click on like, leave a comment, and also subscribe to our channel. See you on the next videos.